Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Maker 2 online using Yuzu. First, ensure your Yuzu emulator is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Next, you'll need to properly configure your network settings within Yuzu to establish a stable connection. Finally, verify that your Super Mario Maker 2 game files are legitimate and correctly installed, as this is crucial for accessing online features without issues. Once your setup is complete, the next step is connecting to Yuzu's online services. You can join either a public or private multiplayer room specifically for Super Mario Maker 2. It's highly recommended to use a stable internet connection, ideally with a download speed of at least 25 megabits per second, to prevent lag. Also, confirm your Yuzu account is properly linked to their online services for seamless matchmaking with other players. If you encounter any issues, some troubleshooting steps can help. Try restarting both Yuzu and your internet router to refresh the connection. You might also need to adjust Yuzu's performance settings, such as resolution or frame rate, for smoother gameplay, especially if you experience slowdowns. Remember to communicate with other players in your room. Clear communication often leads to a much better and more enjoyable online experience for everyone involved. With everything set up, you're ready to dive into the vast world of Super Mario Maker 2 online. Explore countless user-created levels, challenge your friends, and participate in competitive multiplayer versus modes or cooperative levels. The community offers endless creativity and fun. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy building, playing, and sharing your creations with players from all over the globe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.